Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by installing Visual Studio Code on your machine. Install the Terraform extension version 1, 5, or newer for language features. Install the Azure Resource Manager and Azure Account extensions for deployment integration. Install Azure CLI and authenticate using AS login with your subscription ID. Configure your path so AS and Terraform commands run from any terminal. Restart Visual Studio Code after installing extensions to load language servers and provider tooling. Open a dedicated project folder and create main, TF variables, TF and outputs, TF files. In main, TF declare provider Azureum and pin provider version 3, 85 and Terraform 1. 5. Configure backend block to use Azureum storage account and container for state. Define variables with types and default values in variables. TF. Keep secrets out of files by using environment variables or Azure Key Vault for sensitive values. Use the VS Code Terraform formatting command to normalize file layout. Initialize the project by running Terraform init in the integrated terminal. Run Terraform plan to preview resources and cost impact before deployment. Use Terraform apply with auto-approve for automation or run it interactively for approval. Inspect the VS Code output and problems pane for errors and linting messages. Use Terraform Validate and Terraform FMT to catch syntax and style issues. When deploying, monitor resource creation in the Azure portal using your subscription ID and resource group names.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.